Welcome to DeFi Learn, guys. In this video we will see what is circle and how to sync my strategy in the circle, guys. Okay, before going to see that, let me show you whether this account belongs to me or not. Okay, here you can see DeFi Learner, which is my YouTube name, and my account name is also DeFi Learn in RoyalQ. Okay, and let me go to our revenue page first. Here you can see these are my daily revenues in the RoyalQ, guys. Okay, let me show you how to sync my strategy in the circle and gain consistent profit. So many people requested me in the Telegram today, so I am making a video on this. Okay, here you can see there is an option called circle right here, exactly here. Just click that, and in this search DeFi Learn, guys. DeFi and space LEARN. Okay, if you search that, this is my circle, guys. DeFi LEARN. DeFi Learn is my circle name. Just click on that. Okay, in this, here you can see name and my biodata, and there are 860 members in my circle and 117 likes. Recent only I have created this because of some people's request. I have created this circle. Actually I don't have interest to create a circle, but so many people asking sir, what is your strategy, so I have created this circle. Okay, and here you can see there are so many posts in my circle. Let me open one. Here you can see this is from December 1st to December 15th. I got $622. Okay, and what are the posts I have done? Here you can see these are my profit and loss. This is the process of how to sync strategy. About this I will explain in a few minutes. This is my video course, guys. Recently I have made a video course. The offer price is $9 only. If you want and if you have interest to learn more about RoyalQ, you can DM me in Telegram. All the details in the description. Okay, let me show you how to sync the circle, guys. Let me go to an article, official article from RoyalQ. This is an official article from RoyalQ. This is the process of how to sync the strategy exactly in my circle. Okay, first tap on circle. You all know that how to where it is. Okay, next after clicking the tab, just search my name and then just join in that. Okay, and after that there is an option called strategy at the top of the column, guys. Okay, there is an option called strategy. Click on that, then choose a circle. After that, if you want to sync in Binance, you can sync on the Binance. Okay, if you want to sync with Bybit, you can sync with Bybit, guys. Okay, after that tap sync strategy. Okay, after selecting the exchange, then click the sync strategy. Okay, that's it. After that, it will ask what is first buy amount. I will tell you first buy amount should be $12. Always click this $12. Okay, after that it will ask how much your capital and number of pieces you should select. Okay, in that I will explain clearly. If you have $200 capital, okay, number of pieces column you should give only one. That means for one coin you need at least $200, guys. So according to your capital you can sync it. That means here you can see if you have $400, okay, number of pieces column you should select 2 coins. Okay, for $200 you should give according to that. Okay, that's it, guys. After syncing that, your bot will enable and it will sync automatically whatever settings I made in my circle. So after that, every day you will get a consistent profit as per my strategy. Okay, if there is a low profits in some days, please don't worry. I will adjust the drop percentage and I will change the status or the settings according to the market conditions. Okay, don't worry. uh, be patient and check monthly profits. You will get around 10% to 10. Sometimes it may give 20% as well, because we are in currently bull trend, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.